Frost, what are you doing, Bubba?
Look at that swimmer go.
Frost, what are you doing?
I think he's meeting you.
Hey, you better come back over here.
He's doing his laps.
Where are you going, Frosted Mason?
Swimming the entire pool.
What are you doing?
Check out my boy. Oh, gotta get in the curve. Wow! That was some swim, boy. You took that on video, didn't you? Cool.
That wasn't bad, puppy head.
Frosty's